Hello everyone, welcome to Amuday Academy. So in this video, we are going to learn to calculate interest on drawings if a partner is withdrawing amounts or different amounts at a different time frames. He may be withdrawing at April, he may be withdrawing at May, or even he may be withdrawing at on December. So whenever he wants, he will withdraw. So on this, how we can calculate interest on drawings. So for this, we will use product method to calculate the interest on drawings. So how we can calculate on product method? So let us see by understanding a question, right? And also with the formula. So what is the formula for that? So total product into whatever interest rate is there, that, and 1 by 12 default in the formula. Understood? Yes. So let us see one example and understand it how we can calculate. Fine. So for example, Shahnaz withdraw the following amounts from her firm for the personal use during year ending March 31st, 2020. Fine. Calculate interest on drawings by product method. If the rate of interest to be charged is 7%. So 7% is the interest on drawings and the withdrawals already given below. So on 1st April 2019, she withdrawed 16,000, and on June 30th, 15,000, and 10,000, 14,000, 11,000 on these dates. So this is the question we have, and we need to prepare product method and find out the interest on drawings. Fine. So let us see how we can prepare. So from here only, I'll calculate solution. 1st April, let me write the date, amount withdrawn, and period, and product. Right. So on 1st April, 16,000 she withdraw. 30th June, that is 6th month, 15,000 she withdraw. And 31st October, 31st October she withdraw 10,000 rupees. And on December 31st, that is 31st 12, she withdraw 14,000 rupees. And 1st March, that is 1st March, 11,000 we withdraw. So for this, we need to calculate the period and product, then we will calculate the interest on drawings. So let us see how many months are coming. So from 1st April to year end, that is 31st March. 1st April to 1st April to 31st March is 12 months, complete 12 months. Fine, understood? Yes. So June 30th, which means from July 1st to March, that is July 1st to 31st March. How many months are there? July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. There are 9 months. There are 9 months. Fine. From 31st October, which means November, December, January, February, March, April, sorry, March. Wait. So October 31st, right? It is a month end. So it will go to next month. From next month, we need to calculate October, November, December, and again 3 more months. It is 5 months totally, right? So from 31st 12, which means January, February, March. Remaining months are only three. And also she withdraw on 1st March also. So which means there are only 1 month. So 1st March to 31st March, it is only 30 days. So 1 month. Correct. So how we can get the product? Just you need to multiply these things. Just multiply. Right. So let me take my calci and I'll only multiply. 16,000 into 12 months. It is 1,92,000, and 15,000 into 9. It is 1,35,000, and 10,000 into 5. It is 50,000, and 14,000 into 3 is 42,000 and 11,000. Right. So we got the product. So total the product 1,92,000 plus 1,35,000 plus 50,000 plus 42,000 plus 11,000 plus. So 4,30,000 is the total product. 4,30,000 is the total product. From this, we have to calculate interest on drawings. So for interest on drawings, what is the formula? I have already given total product, whatever we will get, and interest on drawings, that is 7% and 1 by 12. That's it. Right. So as simple as that. 4,30,000 is the total product and interest on drawings is 7% into 1 by 12. So what is the interest rate coming out? 4,30,000 into 7% into 1 divided by 12. It is 2,508.33, or else you can remove this 0.33 and show it as this approx. Or exactly if you want to show, you show like along with the point. Correct. So that's it. We have solved one question under product method and we have understood how we can calculate the interest on drawings. So in the same way, we have another question also in your NCERT. So that also we will solve and we'll finish the video. So I hope you are understanding. So kindly note down. So let me zoom it out. Note down the solution question, right? So let us move to the next illustration. Let us read. Manu, Harry, and Ali are partners in the firm, sharing profits and losses equally. So, which means 1 is to 1. Equally means 1 is to 1. Harry and Ali withdrew the following amounts. Only two partners are withdrawing. Previously, we saw only one partner. Here, it is two partner. Fine. So, their withdrawal they have given in the question. So, Harry and Ali. So, let us solve. So, 1st April, Hari withdrawed. Let me write first date, these things. So, date is not required. Yeah, it is required. I thought I'll calculate like that only. So, date, amount, and period, product. Right. So the same period will be applying for both the partners. So what we can do? So we'll calculate only one period. Right. So this is for Hari, Hari or Harry. It is Harry. And again, we'll calculate for Ali. So date is not required for Ali because already we have dates here and the period also not required. Just amount and product. Just amount and product we will calculate. Understood? Because they are sharing the same dates and it will be the same period. So if you want, you can add date and period again. The same thing it will be copy paste you can do. Right. So let us write the date. So first April 5,000 Harry withdrawed and 7,000 Ali withdrawed. On 1st July 8,000 Harry withdrawed and 4,000 Ali withdrawed. Correct. So, and 1st December 5,000 and again 5,000. On 1st March is 4,000 and again 9,000 Ali. So let us calculate the period. So from 1st April to 31st March, it is 12 months. Fine. From 1st July to year end, that is 31st March. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 9 months. First, uh, December to year end, that is 31st March. That is December, January, February, March. 4 months are there. 1st March to 31st March, it is only 1 month. So let us calculate product for both the parties, both the partners. 5,000 into 12, it is 60,000, and same 7,000 into 12, 84,000. 8,000 into 9 months, it is 72,000, and 4,000 into 9, 36,000 for Ali. 36,000 for Ali. I hope you are understanding this. If you have any doubt, you can ask through comment or Instagram, right? 5,000 into 4, it is 20,000, and 4,000, 20,000, and 9,000. So let us total the product for both the partners. 60,000. It is very, very, very simple. That's why I'm going so fast, right? 20,000 plus 4,000. 1,56,000 for Harry, and 84,000 plus 36,000 plus 20,000 plus 9,000. It is 1,49,000. Understood? Yes. So now we can calculate interest on drawings for Harry and Ali. So Harry's total withdrawal is 1 lakh, sorry, total product is 1,56,000, and for Ali it is 1,49,000. 1,49,000. So what is the interest rate given in the question? So Manu, Harry partners equally, and Harry withdraw some amount from the okay. So we will consider it as, let us say, 10%. So I didn't write the percentage here. So we will consider it as 10%, right? So for both the partners, correct? So what is the interest rate? 10% we will consider, because I didn't write it in the question. Now 1 by 12, 1 by 12 default in the question. So 1,56,000 into 10% into 1 by 12. So it is 1,300 for Harry. Interest on drawings. So interest on drawings, I will write like this. 1,49,000 into 10% into 1 by 12. So 1,241. 1,241.66 is there. So we'll make it as 7. So I hope you have understood how we can calculate interest on drawings under product method. It is very, very simple. Right, you can note down the solution and question also. So that's the end of the video. If you have any doubts, you can ask through comment, and also you can ask through Instagram. I have given all the links along with the Instagram in the description, and also chapter link, playlist link, everything is there. You can watch it. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.